Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you 3 my absolutely favorite vegan breakfast ideas that are healthy and easy and don't require much time to cook. Some of them you can prepare in advance in order to save some time in the morning. So let's get started. The first recipe is banana oats cookies, which is my absolute favorite. For this recipe I'm gonna use 1 cup of quick oats, 2 ripe bananas, a third cup of blueberries, a quarter cup of walnuts, a quarter cup of almond butter, 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds. In a large bowl add bananas and mash them with a fork. Add almond butter and stir it very well. Add all the remaining ingredients, which are oats, blueberries, walnuts and hemp seeds, and make a good stir so everything well combined. You want to make sure that you don't overmix it. On a baking sheet, evenly distribute 1 tablespoon of a mixture at a time and make a cookie form with it. Bake in the oven at 375 Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes until the top is golden. Let them cool for a few minutes before enjoying. When the cookies cool completely, they become crispier. I eat these cookies every other morning with almond yogurt and a cup of hot cocoa. If you have no time to cook in the morning, you will love the second breakfast idea. Here I'm gonna use 2 slices of whole grain bread, slices of kiwi and mango, as well as banana and strawberry, 1 tablespoon each of peanut butter and almond butter. Toast the bread for a few minutes. Spread the peanut butter on one slice and almond butter on another. Top with slices of kiwi, mango, banana and strawberry. Sprinkle with hemp and chia seeds. Cut your toast in half and enjoy with a cup of your favorite tea. For the next one, we're gonna be making 3 ingredient pancakes. For that I'm gonna need 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 ripe banana, 1 cup of almond milk. If you have in your pantry oat flour, perfect, you can use that. If don't, in the coffee grinder you can easily transform rolled oats into oat flour, which we're gonna need for our pancakes. In the blender, combine all the ingredients. Here I added a pinch of sea salt as well, but that's optionally. Blend for a few seconds until all well incorporated. Heat the pan, add coconut oil. Transfer the mixture now for 1 pancake and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes or until the edges are golden. Flip it over and cook another minute or so. Repeat with the remaining mixture. this amount of ingredients you will get approximately 6 to 7 pancakes, depends on the size you make. Drizzle with the maple syrup. Top with fruits and berries you have. Here I added strawberries, blueberries and blackberries. And it's ready to eat. Personally, I love these pancakes, because cooking is so easy and quick. It took me only 15 minutes to make them all. And there you have my 3 vegan breakfast ideas. Let me know in the comments below which one of the recipes was your favorite. Or if you have another favorite vegan breakfast idea that you personally love and make all the time, please share with us in the comments below as well. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And see you in the next video. Bye!